Hi guys, let me show you how I created these trendy and defined tight curls on my straight long hair with the T3 SinglePass half-inch barrel. So to create this look, I rough dried my hair. I want as much volume as possible. To prep, I used a heat protector and a mousse because I also want to pull out texture and body. So I'm sectioning my hair down the middle, section number 1, section number 2. Starting around my hairline, I'm going to clip the bulk of the hair back so I can begin my curls around the hairline. My half-inch barrel is set on heat setting number 3 because I have fine bleached hair, so I don't need a lot of heat. I'm holding my curling iron vertical because I'm looking for an elongated curl. I'm going to try to get this as close to the base of my head as possible. And I'm going to hold the little tips out because I want kind of a cool finish to this style. I'll heat up the section for about 3 seconds and then I'll release. I'll give it a quick clamp with my hands to cool it and let it be and move on to the next. So I've started my curls down low and now I'm starting just above my ear. I'm taking smaller sections because that's the most natural way to get a curly, voluminous, textured finish. I'm putting my barrel in horizontally because I want these curls to look elongated, a little skinnier. If I were to hold the barrel horizontally, it would make the curls look voluminous. I think it's cooler to have curly texture that's a little drawn out and elongated, so I will pull down so that the curl cools a little straighter. I'm curling the hair away from my face to open it up in some spots and towards my face in others. Best practice is to follow your natural hairline. So I'm curling towards the face here to give it a little extra body so that the hairline doesn't look too finished. Naturally, our hair grows in all kinds of different patterns. I want that same natural pattern for this hairstyle. I tug at the end as it cools so that it straightens out the curl just a bit so it's a little longer, less voluminous. So as I'm wrapping the hair around the barrel, I'm letting the hair twist as well. This kind of gives a more uneven, more natural set to the hair. I'm holding the hair in place on the barrel for about 5 seconds and then I'm releasing and I'm pulling the hair down to elongate my curl. If you notice your ends are a little too straight, you can always come back through and finish them by curling just the tips. I'm going to finish this piece and I'm going to run back, finish the whole head. Stay tuned. Alright guys, this is my finished look. Look at these curls. They're voluminous, giving me tons of texture, super shiny, so soft, and my hair feels just as healthy as when I started.